red carpet. Do you know why it's there? Because we just bought it. Hey everyone, it's Misha, aka Pink Cat Hiker. Here to remind you that if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like this one and don't forget to subscribe. We are getting ready to leave the house to head to Airstream of Los Angeles. It's a surprise, so I have to whisper, but we bought a Caravel and we're going to pick it up today. And Adelaide doesn't know. So we're going to surprise her. And we're going to go look at some Airstreams today. So stay tuned. All right, Doodle. Where are we going?
We're going to see camp buses.
Okay, what's a camp bus?
Camp bus is, it looks like a bus, but it has beds and it's kind of like a house on wheels.
So a trailer? And do you remember what the name of the camp buses we're going to look at are called?
Airstream.
Airstream. Are you excited to go see some and go inside them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, huh? Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
We're here. Lots to look at. Lots to see. Inside one.
You wanted to go and look in them, but we know that they're not open yet.
This is the base camp.
Okay.
What type
So
is
this is a base camp. Yeah.
I'm taking a look on this one before you guys head out.
Let's do it.
You want to look at this one, Adelaide?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Come over here. Look. What's that?
What?
What is that? Huh?
I don't know what it's called.
It's a red carpet. Do you know why it's there? Because we just bought it. This is ours.
Go in there.
What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Isn't it nice?
It is nice.
Yeah? Are you excited? This is gonna be your bed.
It doesn't look like a bed right now.
Not right now, but are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah. All right, so we are inside of our brand new Caravel 22FB Airstream.
And I'm so excited.
Adelaide is very excited. Rusty just went to go get the truck so that we can start doing measurements and stuff and get the hitch all ready. And the Airstream team is going to give us a tour of the outside and the inside and just make sure that we are set and ready to go so we know how everything works before we head out. And then we are going to head up to Carpinteria State Beach up near Santa Barbara, California for the night and get her ready for our next adventure. Yay! All right, so we just did a 3-hour, well, we were there for 3 hours. I did the final paperwork for the trailer, and then we spent the next like 2.5 hours kind of getting a tour and putting on the hitch and I don't know. It was just a lot. It was a lot going on. So we are now gone. We just left. It's just past lunchtime. We're all starving, so we're gonna go get something to eat, then load everything up into the trailer, and then we're gonna go to Carpinteria State Beach. But you can see the trailer back there, which is just we're all very, very excited. We are loading up the trailer so we can take it to camp tonight.
Come on, I've done it twice.
You can do it. You can do it.
Paul.
I've done it twice.
already done it. Still stuck.
Hold. You don't want it to slam.
Everything's on my bed right now.
Here, what? Put that over there on our bed.
Loading it up. When we get there, we'll unpack.
So much stuff on my bed.
So much stuff on her bed. And that was Rusty's butt crack.
See more of that later.
So we've arrived.
We're parking.
And Rusty's doing his first back in of
Very hard.
the trailer. We wanted to pull through, but they didn't have one. So here we go.
You were recording me dancing!
Sunset. We are literally right on the beach. Bathroom. And there's the single silver bullet. Rusty's just finished up leveling everything for us. We've got a birthday party happening behind us.
Take off my shoes.
So Adelaide's going to take her shoes off and put them in the little shoe tray. Now we have to unpack everything. Rusty's looking for the surge protector.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
walked outside to see our little camp set up. Very nice job, Rusty. I don't know where he went, but...
I don't know where... Oh, he's right behind you.
No, he's somewhere over there. Okay. All right, so day one with the trailer is just about complete. There's been a huge learning curve. There's been some frustrations. I edit these. I think that there will probably be a what the fuck Airstream video that I will make. But for right now, we're setting up the Roku. Adelaide is in bed, so she's all set up here. We're getting the Roku set up. This bed is a little weird. If you look under here, you can see there's like this giant like step down there, and it's on both sides. There's one, you know, there's one there and there's another one down here.
I don't feel it.
She says she doesn't feel it, but when I sat on the bed, I was like, what the actual fuck, dude? I couldn't sleep on it, but she doesn't mind it, so I don't know. I'm gonna see if I set it up wrong or something, or actually if he set it up wrong.
Oh no, you were pushed on it. That's primary.
Also, I got these pillow covers, and I am kind of obsessed. So there were only 2 pillows that the Airstream came with, and I got to get 2 more because, I mean, yeah, that's my 7-year-old showing you that. So I got to get 2 more pillows to make that happen. All right, well, it's night 1. I think I'll probably go over more of the chaos that ensued here tonight. I'll go over it tomorrow because I'm just fucking tired and ready for bed. I'm ready for some Weird Al.
Weird Al?
On Roku.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here's my butt.
I don't want him to fart on me. I will win!
So night 1, we're making breakfast. You can see I've got yesterday's snacks on the floor because there's just nowhere to place stuff. But yeah, I think we slept mostly well. It's a little bit cold, but we didn't want to use the furnace. We have the Roku set up, so Adelaide's watching H2O. And I'm making some oatmeal this morning, so we have the little kettle going, and we've got views right outside our window.
Yep.
So the one thing that's nice about a lot of the state park campgrounds is that the check-in, check-out time is only 2 hours apart. And there's really nobody here to really enforce those times. So check-out time is 12. Check-in time is 2. So we have a few hours left before we have to head out and back down the coast to LA. And I can't remember which island this is. I want to say, I can't remember which is the closest of the Channel Islands, but there's one of the Channel Islands. Was it cold? was really cold.
But since I only touched a little bit of it, it wasn't that cold.
It wasn't that cold. All right, I think I am all packed up inside in the interior. Everything is set and ready, except I gotta bring the windows down and stuff. Now I just gotta pack up outside and then we're ready to hit the road.